How to post on CapCut. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application CapCut. Tap on New Project right here. Select the video from here that you want to post. Let's say I want to post this video. Tap on it. And then tap on Add at the bottom right corner. It will land you on this interface. From here you can edit the video with all of those features right here at the bottom. You can modify the video as you want to. And once the edit has been completed, tap on this export icon at the top right corner. It will start to export your video. Now right here you can see different options. But the first thing you should know that in order to post in CapCut, you should be the professional template maker. And then just below share to TikTok, you'll find the option of post on CapCut. You just need to tap on it and you'll be good to go. So this is it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.